Welcome! In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to change your profile photo on WhatsApp using the PC app. Whether you want to update your picture to reflect your current mood or just refresh your profile, this guide will make the process quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. You can find it on your desktop or search for it in your applications list. Once the app is launched, you'll see the main interface with your chats and contacts. Next, look to the left side menu of the screen. There, you'll find a gear icon labeled Settings. Click on it to open your account settings. This is where you can manage various aspects of your profile. Once inside the Settings menu, locate the Profile section. Click on it, and you'll see your current profile photo displayed prominently. If you don't have one set yet, it might just be a blank placeholder image. Now, click directly on your profile photo. A small menu will appear with options to change or edit your image. Select Change Image from this menu. This action will open a File Explorer window where you can browse through your computer's folders. Choose the new photo you'd like to use as your profile picture. Once you've selected it, click Open to upload the image. WhatsApp will automatically update your profile photo with the new image you've chosen. And that's it. Your new profile picture is now visible to all your contacts. You can repeat these steps anytime you want to update or change your image again. Thank you for following along. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to share it with others who might need guidance. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.